Hey everyone, I'm going to show you how to create a discount for first time customers. What we're going to do first is to create a group for these customers. Under customer section, let's create a segment by clicking filter and then we'll scroll down a bit. We're going to select first order date. Once that's selected, let's scroll down a little bit and then select doesn't exist. That way, it will only select the customers who has 0 orders. Let's now apply the filters and then save segment. Let's name this new customers. You click on save and now we're going to create a discount code. So under discounts, let's create a new discount. Doesn't matter which one. Just gonna name this congratulations on your first order. I'm just gonna copy that and then I'm going to give them 10% of discount. And then we'll select specific customer segments under customer eligibility. And then we will browse, click browse, and then we will select the new customers, the one that we just created. Select that, click add, and then save discount. And now let's go to the app. Under promotions, let's create a new promotion. Under discount code, let's type in congratulations on your first order and then click select. Once it's selected, you have to set up the triggers on you want. In this case, I'll just put $50 and then put it on active and click save. And there you have it.